Welcome to these modules, which represent the project management lifecycle. As we review these modules, I will present various templates and artifacts created in Excel format. It is not intended to recommend Excel, rather simply to demonstrate the various types of tools. Your project templates and artifacts may be developed using a formal project management platform such as Team Center, SharePoint, or other applications. A foundational and critical tool for managing the project lifecycle is a detailed project schedule. A well-developed and executed project schedule through all phases of the project lifecycle is essential to every project's success. Any size and complexity of project will benefit from a project schedule. It is used when a project requires a few to any number of activities to complete the deliverables. A project schedule may be used as an input to the communication plan, risk plan, and lessons learned plan. Project schedules include milestones and activities, dependencies, duration of each activity, typically in days, resources assigned to each activity, percentage complete for each activity in increments such as 5%, 10%, 20%, and so on. The status, is it on schedule, ahead of schedule, behind schedule, complete, or not started, and a start and finish date for each activity, as well as any necessary comments. The process for creating a project schedule includes list the project milestones and activities necessary to complete during the project lifecycle. Inputs to the schedule may include the charter, requirements document, and work breakdown structure. List dependencies for each activity, such as finish to start. Predecessors must finish before successors can start. The start to start. Predecessors must start before successors can start. The finish to finish. Predecessors must finish before successors can finish. The start to finish. Predecessors must start before successors can finish. Assign a resource for each activity. Define the start date, finish date, duration for each activity. Update the project schedule when percent complete changes for any given activity, such as 0, 5, 10, and 15%, or status changes for any given activity, such as on schedule, ahead of schedule, behind schedule, or complete, or if new milestones or activities are identified, or if the project scope or resources change. And finally, close the project and celebrate the completion. Most project schedules include a graphical depiction of the timeline in the form of a Gantt chart. Many of the project scheduling software packages generate a Gantt chart as a result of inputting project schedule start date, finish date, dependencies, and duration. A project schedule may be used as an input to the communication plan, risk plan, and lessons learned. This is a simple example of a project schedule using Microsoft Excel. It still lists all the activities, any dependencies, the duration in days for each activity, the resources assigned, percentage complete, and the health indicator status, such as on schedule, behind schedule, at risk, and so on. And the start and finish date for each activity is listed as well, and any comments necessary. So please consider using and developing a project schedule as you manage through your project lifecycle. You have access to download complimentary Excel toolboxes containing many tools and templates used in the various types of initiatives as listed here. You can find these at valuegenerationpartners.com, then select the Downloads page to access the Excel toolboxes. I wish you much success in using proven tools and techniques to achieve your desired goals and outcomes.